Today we're going to be talking about an interesting story that's on the front page of Business Day. That story reads, "Firms' earnings take a hit from naira crunch and elections." Now, a lot has been made of the impact that the naira crunch that we witnessed in the first quarter of 2023 had on companies. Well, today I'm here to put a face to that impact, at least going by some of the results that has been released by Nigerian companies for the first quarter of the year. Let's start with Dangote Cement. Dangote Cement happens to be one of the largest listed Nigerian companies on the NGX and the largest cement maker. For the first time in 5 years, Dangote Cement's group revenues declined by 1.7% to about 400 billion naira. And the major factor for this, as attributed by the company's management, was the cash crunch in the first quarter of the year, as well as lost trading days due to the election cycle, elections that happened in February. So that's just one of the impacts that we can say that the cash crunch and elections had on such a large corporate. In fact, the company's cement sales declined by 24%. Really, it's the largest by a mile in a long period. They were only able to sell 3.2 million metric tons of cement in the first quarter. Although the company's profit increased, the revenue decline was attributed to the cash crunch and the elections. Now, it doesn't stop at Dangote Cement. Nigerian Brewers is another company that has been impacted negatively by the same factors. Nigerian Brewers recorded a loss before tax of 17 billion in the first quarter of 2023. And of course, following the same trajectory, the company also blamed that on the cash crunch and the election. Another company we're looking at is UAC. Now, for UAC, its revenue dropped by 11% to 24 billion in the first quarter. And the management also again said that cash shortages and the loss of trading days during the elections were largely responsible for that unusual decline. We also have GSK, the drug maker, GlaxoSmithKline. You must be familiar with them, they make drugs. Now, GSK's profit after tax declined to 230 million in the first quarter of 2023 from 285 million. Another company that was also affected clearly by the cash crunch was ABC Transports, whose loss before tax widened to 80.6 million from only 6 million. Yeah, you heard me correctly, 6 million the quarter before. Now, all of these numbers I've reeled out just go to show how the cash crunch and the elections that we had in February impacted the revenue performance of listed Nigerian companies. I'm sure there are many more out there, but these are the 5 that we're able to select for this special story that we put out today. And we will definitely keep our eyes on particularly the banks, just to measure the full-scale impact that the cash crunch had. Now, I have not said everything about that story. If you want to catch some details on the story, you can visit our website, www.businessday.ng.